What color is this flower?
It's purple.
It's purple. And what color is this? My goodness, he just said me to shut up. If every preschooler says that, or it's just mine, I don't know. Going back. Let's go house.
Mommy,
Yes. Let's go house.
please.
No, please, let's go back. My boy loves to stay outside. Once I take him outside, it's almost impossible to take him home. He loves to play outside. He loves to explore nature a lot. He's enjoying here. And I am enjoying this beautiful squirrel having nuts in this beautiful weather. It was raining all morning and it just stopped and it looks so beautiful, so beautiful. I am thoroughly enjoying this pretty weather. Look how beautiful it is. And my boy is playing slide right there. This beautiful green shade of nature and this pretty weather just reminds me of my childhood. I was born and raised in the hilly areas, in mountain areas. It was the base camp of Mount Everest, and Mount Everest is the world's highest peak. Look at these colorful flowers in this beautiful green meadow. We used to collect a lot of wild flowers and a lot of wild berries in this season. This place just reminds me my childhood. I feel so nostalgic whenever I come outside in this weather. It's just beautiful right here. I feel so happy, so lucky to raise my child in the same environment I was raised. And he is also a big nature lover. He just loves nature. He loves these squirrels. He loves bunnies. He loves to pick little flowers and he loves big trees. He loves everything in nature. He's a nature lover.
Three, two, one.
3, 2, 1. Hi everyone, I have shown beautiful spring weather in this video. This video is taken in Knoxville, Tennessee. I haven't used any background music in this video. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching.